Vanessa, and today I'm going to be baking some little fall cookie treats. So at the moment, these are the little cookies I'm going to be working with. This is the chocolate chunk cookie mix. So I've already got my bowl here, like so, and I've got my whisk, my wooden spoon, and this. I've also got my baking trays over there. So I'm going to start off with this. I'm also going to try and answer some little questions about myself as I do this. First, I'm going to open this because I did one baking video. That's literally, I think this is going to be the start of my baking era, but I only did one baking video. So then like this. Because I cannot believe it, we're already coming to the end of October. Like in a week or so, it's going to be the end of October. So what better excuse to do some little baking? Okay, so this is how our cookie mix looks at the moment. So I need to add some water in here. So let's add some water quickly. Because with this mix, it's like kind of different, I feel like. So now I'm going to start and answer some questions. So most of these questions I've got them off of Google. You know what, I need to start doing questions for channel videos. I feel like I need to start doing those questions. So okay, let's start off with some of the little cool questions. So the first question on here says, how do you come up with ideas for your content? So for me, when it comes to content, I like to just do anything. I like to do anything, or like something that's trending at the time that I think that's like a good idea. And okay, here's another question. Are you a summer or winter girly? So I feel like for me personally, I am a winter person. I love winter so much. I feel like winter is just, this is how it looks so far. But I feel like winter is just that season. For me, it's the best season ever. And I love it because like it's Christmas time. I can't even believe it. Like, I want to say if I'm wrong or if I'm right. I think it's like like 1 month and a bit until Christmas. What's my favorite baked good? I feel like my favorite baked good at the moment is probably gotta be like cinnamon rolls. This time I did a good job. I need to add some butter, so I'm gonna add some butter because I need to get some from my fridge. I feel like when it comes to baking, okay, you know what, if this baking doesn't turn out good, don't say I didn't tell you like the last time. So this kind of ties into the same question. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday has got to be, I think I'm mixed. Like, I love Valentine's Day. I feel like Valentine's Day is such a cute little month. I love Valentine's Day so much. Then I also feel like Christmas is a nice month in the fact that you can do loads of things with family. Well, I don't know. Is that doughy or is that more? I feel like that's more wet. Okay, another question is, are you planning to do Vlogmas this year? You have to wait and find out. I haven't yet decided, so I'm gonna have to wait and find out. Because I remember, I think it was like a few months. Let's actually see. 5 months ago. Tell me why 5 months ago I was saying all this stuff about me doing a juicy girl talk with questions. Maybe I'll answer the questions on here. So one of the questions is boyfriend history. It's non-existent. There is no history. The second question is, when did you start your period? I don't know, sorry about that. Okay, crush. I don't know, this isn't a real question, it just says crush. But no, I don't have any crushes at the moment. Oh my gosh, if I'm doing this wrong, I'm gonna cry. Like, I think I'm mixing it too much. Like, it's not, it's like a batter. I need to work on this behind camera. So I'll come back to you guys as soon as my batter actually looks like a cookie batter. This is the process of our whisking journey. We have somehow saved it. Mama to the rescue because I didn't understand what I was doing. You can hear the oven preheating. I didn't put the oven from the beginning. I actually put the oven on, but I didn't put it on very high. So now it's on high now. It's like a dough now. Okay, so now I've done that. We're gonna attempt. This is my first attempt. I need to put more on here, but I'm gonna try and like, cause like meant to drop. Okay, please. If this turns out wrong, don't say I didn't warn you. Well, I feel like this is gonna mold into a cake of some sort. That's what I think. The only problem is I don't want to add too much to the batter, because I was meant to make a small batter, but for some reason, it went sideways. I don't know what happened. This is the process of what we're seeing at the moment. I don't think it looks bad. It looks like a little bit off on both sides. Now that I have done that, I've still got batter left, so I think I'm just going to mix it into a like tinier set. Okay, so I need to put this in here now. I'm going to try and do it like the same way I did it to the last one so it works. I also put a timer on. Honestly, I feel like I might not be the best at this, but like the cookies in the oven at the moment are actually turning out alright. I don't know, because the last time I did baking, I think that was the last time I did baking was when I did my no phone for 24 hours. I don't know if I should do that again. I want to try and do some more little different challenges on my channel. So if you can leave a comment saying what challenge you want me to do next, I will definitely do it. I wouldn't say I'm a mastery when it comes to baking,
but give me my diploma.
I want to try and get this batter done, because if I get this batter done, then at least it looks okay. And if there's more batter left, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do, because I thought there's a little bit. There's a lot I feel like, because I ended up adding flour in the end, because my original dough idea of just doing it with the mix didn't work out. Okay, so I've actually I've still got like a tiny bit of batter left, so I'm going to try and squeeze it in. Ta-da! I think it looks okay. It doesn't look as bad. This one is just a different set. That's what I was saying. And then I've got my timer on my phone for the 20 minutes I set. Almost 9 minutes. I want to check it. I don't know if they look like cookies. They look like they've risen. I think it's because I'm using self-raising flour. But so all this stuff over here I need to clean up. I'm gonna try and get some water in here so it doesn't like stick completely, and then I'll come back to you guys as soon as the cookies are done, because there's still 5 minutes in there, and I can put these cookies in there. But I want to see how the original cookies turned out. Okay, so I did a quick clean. I've still got the batch over here that needs to go in, these little guys, but I need to open this. We're gonna see how it turned out. This bit, I don't know what happened to the side of here. It looks a bit weird, but I think it turned out okay. Okay, I think so. I'm gonna try and test it with my mom. Got my mom here to taste test. Okay, the cookies. These are the cookies. Try one.
Okay.
It tastes like I don't. It's meant to be chocolate chip though.
It's alright because it's got chocolate.
Honestly, the biscuits that I've made, well, they look like biscuits. What did you think of them, Mum? Personally, what did you think of them?
They are biscuits. Definitely taste
like
yummy.
it tastes like biscuits. Look wise, no, but it tastes like it. So you know what? It's the It's the inner beauty that counts. I'm gonna wait for the last batch of them to finish, and then I will be done with my little cooking. So the last batch of cookies is done, and I think I did an okay job. Everything's like kind of tied together, so I have to like split it up. Well, okay, you know what? I'm gonna try out the other cookie. Let's try out the other cookie. It's not bad. That is basically gonna be the end of the video here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me as we baked some end-of-full cookies. Honestly, like I feel like the cookies, they taste better on the inside. So anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be saying a nice little bye bye.